Hello, my name is Jilan and I'll be guiding you through the process of adjusting a stock. So stock adjustments are necessary for various reasons like damage, loss or inventory recounts. In such cases, click on the side menu and select inventory. Then find the product which is to be adjusted and click on the details of that specific product and choose adjust stock. Here choose the reason for stock adjustment. If it's due to a recount, additional counts may be included, so resulting in a positive adjustment. Now enter your new stock count like this and write a note. Count. After that, you can go ahead and select create adjustment. However, if you're making a negative adjustment, ensure to include a minus sign. For example, minus 100, and the reason, lost. After that, you can go ahead and select create again. And there it is. That's how you adjust a stock. Thank you for watching and thank you for using Ewity POS.